Welcome to this video on asking and answering questions in English. Understanding how to communicate effectively is essential, and mastering questions is a big part of that. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about yes/no questions. These are straightforward and usually start with auxiliary verbs like do, is, or are. For example, do you like pizza? Or is it raining? The answer is simple, either yes or no. Practice this by asking a friend, "Are you coming to the party?" and see how quickly they respond. Next, we have WH questions. These questions begin with words like who, what, where, when, why, and how. They're designed to gather more information. For instance, what is your favorite book? Or where do you live? When you answer, make sure to provide enough detail. If someone asks, "Why do you study English?" you might say, "I study English to travel and connect with people." Now, let's explore choice questions. These questions give options and typically use or. For example, would you prefer coffee or tea? When answering, you can simply choose one option. I prefer tea. This type of question is great for making conversations more engaging because it invites the other person to share their preferences. Then, we have opinion questions. These ask for thoughts or feelings about a topic. For example, what do you think about online learning? When answering, express your opinion clearly. I think online learning is flexible and convenient. This not only shares your view, but also opens the door for further discussion. Now, let's practice. I'll ask a few questions, and you can answer them out loud. Ready? Here's the first one. What's your favorite movie? Take a moment to think about your answer. Next, do you enjoy reading? Remember, just a simple yes or no will do. And here's a choice question. Would you rather go to the beach or the mountains? Think about which one you prefer and why. Finally, an opinion question. How do you feel about social media? Share your thoughts and don't hesitate to elaborate. Asking and answering questions is a skill that improves with practice. The more you engage in conversations, the more comfortable you'll become. So, keep practicing these types of questions in your daily interactions. Remember, mastering these skills will not only enhance your English, but also boost your confidence in speaking. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with more lessons that can help you on your language journey. Keep practicing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.